Chief Minister Rekha Gupta on Monday ordered immediate renovation of hostels in the Maulana Azad Medical College and expedited construction of new units after a meeting with students at the Delhi Secretariats. She also blamed the previous Aam Aadmi Party government over the poor state of facilities at the health institution. Hitting back, the AAP said that it built a world-class healthcare system when it was in power and that the BJP was undermining it.
Clogged washrooms, crumbling ceilings, overcrowded boys' hostels, and stray dogs sprawled across corridors. This is the harsh reality faced daily by aspiring doctors at one of Delhi's most prestigious medical institutions, the Maulana Azad Medical College.
Maulana Azad Medical College, one of the biggest medical complexes in the city, and it is currently in shambles. We are standing right outside the UG, that is the undergraduate where the MBBS students reside, of the boys' hostel. My camera person has gone inside and he has given you the shots. I am standing right outside and the condition over here is also pathetic.
The people have tried to solve this problem, but there was no solution till now, and our dean has tried very much in her tenure, and she's very cooperative for this case and everything, and all the faculties have tried, who are the warden in charge of the hostels have tried for the same, and finally thank you to the Lieutenant Governor and CM of Delhi.
The neglect isn't limited to the boys' hostel though. The girls' hostel tells a similar story. Leaking taps, unhygienic washrooms, and a glaring absence of basic maintenance, raising serious questions about the living conditions.
Currently, we are present in the girls' hostel, and here also it's a very similar picture. We are currently showing you the visuals of the washroom here. You can see that this door is broken and it has not been repaired. If we talk about the ceilings also, we continuously show you, the alga formation that you can see on the ceilings, how the cement also has come out.
And the situation doesn't improve inside the hospital either. Patients recount their exhausting ordeal, from endless waiting to being shuffled between departments in what is supposed to be one of the capital's top government hospitals.
पहली बार आई हूँ, मेरा इन्होंने जो पर्चा बनवाते हैं ये लोग, उन्होंने किसी और डिपार्टमेंट का बना दिया, जाना मुझे किसी और में था। मैं 4 घंटे से वेट कर रही हूँ। इसके बाद डॉक्टर्स ने मुझे ये बोल दिया कि आप दोबारा पर्चा बनवाओ, दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट में जाओ।
With the government now stepping in, the big question remains: will this finally lead to real lasting change, or just another cycle of promises and neglect?
पिछली पढ़ी लिखी सरकारों की कर्तव्य निष्ठा पे, यहाँ के हॉस्पिटल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पे, कॉलेजेस की, मेडिकल कॉलेजेस की मेंटेनेंस पे, कि आज मौलाना आजाद जैसा प्रेस्टीजियस कॉलेज और वहाँ पढ़ने वाले बच्चों की इतनी बुरी स्थिति। और आज मुझसे आकर के ये सभी स्टूडेंट्स मिले हैं, उन्होंने मुझे ये सारे विषय का जिस तरीके से, जिस डीप भावनात्मक तरीके से उन्होंने मुझे ये बातें बताई हैं, तो मैं सच में बहुत परेशान हूँ इन बच्चों के लिए। और इमीडिएटली सरकार उसमें उन बच्चों को जो फैसिलिटी, जो रिपेयर की वहाँ पे काम करवाने हैं, वो भी कराएंगे हम।
The other agencies have also been instructed so that this infrastructure that we are seeing, that's currently crumbling and totally in an unhygienic position, they certainly can be mended, because there are very serious concerns that are being raised. Now with camera person Aman Deseshka Verma for India.